Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Based on the feedback I received, I would like to share the solution of this problem. So we have an economy consisting of 3 workers. We have Gilberto, and we have Lorenzo, and we have Sam. And we have loans and cars, and they have 10 hours a day. So Gilberto either mows 1 loan or washes 2 cars, and Lorenzo 1 loan and 1 car, and Sam 2 loan and 1 car. So we need to find different points based on the resources that we distribute. So our resource is the labor hours. So if all 3 spends all their time mowing the lawn, which is point A, we have from Gilberto 1 times 10 for loans and cars, nothing, and 1 times 10 for Lorenzo and nothing for car, and 2 times 10 and nothing. So 40 loans, so 1.40 loans and 0 cars. So let's look at point B. For point B, we use all our resources for washing the car. So from Gilberto, it's 2 times 10, 20 cars, but 0 loans, right? And for Lorenzo, it's 0, but 1 times 10, 10. Again, loans, 0, 1 times 10, 10. So we have 40 cars. So point B is 40 cars and 0 loans. Let's look at point C. For point C, we spend half the time. So from Gilberto, 1 times 5, 2 times 5. This is loan, this is car. For Lorenzo, 1 times 5, 1 times 5. And for Sam, it's 2 times 5 and 1 times 5. So we have here 5, 5, 10, 20 to 20. So this point is 20 loans and 20 cars. Now let's look at point D. For point D, Gilberto spends half time, right? So Gilberto is 1 times 5 and 2 times 5 for cars. And Lorenzo only washes cars. So that is 0 times 1. And this is here 10 times 1. And for Sam, only mows lawns. So 2 times 10 and 0 times 1. So what do we have here? So we have here 20 cars and 25 loans. Okay, so these are the points that we have if we allocate resources differently in this economy. So the next thing we will do is we will find the opportunity cost of washing the car. So we know that for Gilberto, he washes 2 cars. Instead of washing 2 cars, he could mow 1 lawn, but opportunity cost is per unit. So if Gilberto gives up washing 1 car, then he needs to give up to mow half lawn. So that's the opportunity cost. For Lorenzo, 1 car, 1 lawn. So the opportunity cost is 1 lawn. 1 car is 2 lawns. Therefore, the opportunity cost is 2 lawns. So these are the opportunity costs. Let's draw the PPF. So we will start first with if we allocate all our resources for loan business, then we are going to produce 40 loans but 0 car. We are here. Now the next point that is we are going to check for if we allocate resources slowly from loan business to the car business, and then what is going to be the allocation of the goods production. So we know that the first person who's going to get into the car business is the one who has the lowest opportunity cost. In this case, Gilberto. So if we move resources to car business, then Gilberto is going to wash the cars. So remember, for washing the car, for Gilberto, if he allocates all the resources to washing the car, 0 loans, it's going to be 2 times 10, 20. And Lorenzo and Sam continues to mow the lawn. In this case, for Lorenzo, let's look at the numbers. It's 10, and for Sam, it's 20. So that is 10 and that's 20. So these are 0. So at this point, we produce 20 cars, 30 loans. So let's find out this point. Here we have 30 loans and 20 cars. This is another point. Now we continue to allocate resources from loan business to car business, and the second person who will switch to the car business will be Lorenzo. Why? Because this is the person who has the second lowest opportunity cost. Let's calculate what is the production of loans and cars. Gilberto is producing cars. Now Lorenzo is producing cars too. Sam continues to produce loan, and that's the case where you have 20 loans and 30 cars. So let's find out this point on the production possibility frontier too. 30 cars and 20 loans. This is the point. And the last point is if all three do the car business, and that's going to be, we calculated already, 40 cars and 0 loans. So this is the production possibility frontier. Let's look at the next question. The production possibilities frontier consists of straight line segments rather than being smoothly bowed out, which is correct, right? Look how production possibility frontier looks like. We have a straight line here, we have straight line here, we have straight line here. If it's a bold shade, it's going to be like this. So why is the case? Why do we have bold shade? If the slope changes, that means opportunity cost changes. Then you have a bold shade. But if you have a constant opportunity cost for 3 people in this economy, then we have a constant trade-off. Therefore, we have the straight line segments for the PPF. So this is a true statement. And let's find out the allocations. So point A is here. Point B is here. And now point C, if you produce 20-20 each, right, is here. And point D is 25 loans and you have 20 cars is here. 25 loans and 20 cars. So given this, A is efficient, B is efficient, C is inefficient because it's inside the PPF, and D is inefficient as well. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching this video.